Jesus Christ, the Church now celebrates your saving love. Graciously receive our praise. Peace to his people on earth. Peace to his people on earth. From the very beginning you promised us your victory through Christ our Savior.
Let all be enlightened by the good news.
Peace to his people on earth. In praise of your Son, whose coming was joyously foreseen by Abraham, hoped for by the patriarchs, announced by the prophets, and yearned for by the Gentiles. Save the whole people of Israel. Peace to his people on earth. Peace to his people on earth.
You wish the birth of your Son to be proclaimed by angels and to be praised by the apostles, martyrs, and faithful of all ages.
Grant the world that peace which the angels proclaim.